Meagan Ethell, and I'm a professional wakeboarder.
Yeah, Meg!
Hey, you got it.
Thank you.
Welcome. Ready to lake? Oh yeah, it's nice out today. I'm stoked.
Double or Nothing is right around the corner. I'm feeling excited and nervous because women haven't competed in a double up event like this before, and the pressure is definitely on.
It comes with a lot of pressure because you want to show up and show that you deserve to be there. I always talk about having a platform and having that be the biggest thing for women in a sport like this, and to be given that platform at Double or Nothing, that's huge.
Showtime showed it to Zuka, up, over, in and around, just losing grip as he came around. This backside spin, going backside 900, taking the cut, up, 1, 2, there it is, a triple flip! Ladies and gentlemen, history has been made!
A double up is the term that we use for the way we drive a boat when we want to get max amount of air. A double up is actually where the waves converge and they actually double up bigger than it normally is.
When you're comparing double ups to other aspects of wakeboarding, the double up is pretty unique in its own regard. The feeling's unlike anything else.
The timing is definitely one of the hardest things to do when you're hitting double ups.
It's not the trick itself. I'm pretty confident in the tricks that I want to try or want to do.
Yeah.
Like, that's a totally different story. It's just the takeoff.
Whoa!
When I watched Meagan ride for the first time, I could totally see that she rode with this intensity and just this like control that she had over her board separated her so much. She was never hesitant to just come in hot, hit the wake and go so big. And not only that, the technical tricks that she was bringing in the competition runs were really insane.
She's only a year older than me, but was just ripping harder than anyone else was ripping. Just seeing that those tricks are possible for a girl, I think that was the biggest inspiration, was look, she's doing it, I can do it too.
Between Jamie and Megan, those two girls shred, and it's really cool. They both have, you know, different styles, but they both push each other really hard. They can hang with some of the boys, and they're not scared to try some stuff, that's for sure.
Welcome to 2023 Red Bull Double or Nothing, powered by MasterCraft. We're going to have a packed crowd here on shore. 16 of the best riders, 14 of the best guys, and as well Meagan Ethell and Jamie Lapina will be busting some double ups as well. The first time girls have ever been in a double up contest.
I never believed that I would be that example for other women. Competing in this event pushes me to inspire other women to believe that we can do it and to change the narrative. Jamie and I have a really good balance of pushing and motivating each other, and she is someone who has always inspired me. That is what helps fuel the progression of women's wakeboarding.
Slow down, take a breath. You know you can do it, right? Seen you do it so many times.
Folks, here we are and here we go. Main event, Meagan Ethell.
This is such a monumental moment for women's wakeboarding because we are setting a new standard for what women can do in the sport.
Here we go. Yeah!
These girls look up to her, and the way they look at Megan, it's inspirational, man. You can tell how hard she's poured her heart into the sport, and it shows.
She does a lot for up-and-coming female riders. She really shows the other women riders out there that it's not just for the guys. All the girls can have fun on the boat just as much as the guys can.
To inspire future generations, I think is a big reason why all of us are wakeboarders, especially as a female. I would just love them to know that there is a place for them in this sport, and there's so much room to go up.
I would say the first step is to try that new trick or to compete in that huge event. We need to keep pushing past our doubts and double down on changing the status quo for the women in the sport.